Bells, it is your girl Melissa Danielle. I'm here to do a install of some clip-ins that I received from Amazing Beauty Hair. I've reviewed for them I don't know how many times now, and I love their hair. I actually wear their hair even when I'm not shooting. If you guys see my vlogs, you've seen that. They have kinky hair, yucky hair, silky straight, curly. They have a wide variety of clip-ins, and then they also have different things like the wire halo kind of hair, and then they have ponytails. They also have the tape-in hair, which is really popular right now. I don't really know how to do that on myself, so like I'm not reviewing tape-in hair, but clip-ins are pretty easy for me. They did provide you guys with a discount code, so discount code is ABHMelly, and you get 20% off your purchase. That's all capital letters. I will put it on the screen for you, and it'll also be down below in the description bar as well. We're going to be installing clip-ins here, and like I said, this is silky straight hair. So you guys can see my hair is put up. I have my hair in a ponytail. Like normally I prefer to do cornrows. You guys know I cannot cornrow. I don't have anybody here that can cornrow my hair right now, and I'm not going to the salon because things is crazy right now. So I just flipped my hair back into one braid. It's just one braid in the back. And I'm just going to clip my hair in. This is going to last me for today because I just need it for today. However, if I was going to be wearing this on a day-to-day basis, I would have cornrows in my hair, or I would have my hair down and straightened so that I can blend it section by section, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is gonna last me for today, for my look that I'm going for. So we're gonna jump right into this hair. So they sent me 3 bundles of 22-inch hair, and this is their silky straight hair. It always comes in a box like this. You'll get your hair, you'll get some extra clips, you'll get a hair clip. I love these. And you'll get a comb. I have like 1,000 of these. Ooh. And then you'll get like your instruction booklet on how to take care of your hair. So you'll get that in like each box. So I reviewed for them, like I said, 1,000 million times, but I've never reviewed their silky texture because I didn't know how to blend it with my hair. And I totally forgot I could just put my hair away and just put the clip-ins in. Sort of like a sew-in, but without the sewing. So let's see what this hair looks like. Oh, this is very silky, you guys. Wow. And there's no stink to it. It does not stink at all. So like I said, it's 22 inches. It's pretty long. It's giving me more like 24 inches. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I know normally you get, I think, about 7 tracks. Let me double check. So you get a 4-piece track, 2-piece, 2-piece, a 3-piece, another 3-piece, another 2-piece, and then a 1-piece. So how many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, you get 7 different tracks. My hair is very fine up top. You guys know, if you've been following me, you know this is like almost bald up here. So I'm gonna try to make it look natural and blend it in with the tracks. I have my hair fiber spray and then some heat protectant. This is the Color Wow Extra Mystical Shine Spray, which I love. I've been using this for years. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead. And guys, I don't put the tracks in any kind of rhyme or reason. I just do like the smaller ones at the bottom. And then as it gets wider, I use the wider tracks. And then just try to put them in haphazardly just to make sure like I cover as much surface as possible. But there is no rhyme or reason how I put these in my hair. I just put them in and style them. So we're gonna get started. And like I said, ABH Melly, 20% off. I'll link everything down below in the description bar. So let me go ahead and get started with putting these tracks in. Hopefully this works, y'all, because this is so thin. You guys know how thin my hair is, or we're gonna try. But if you don't have thin hair like me, it's not gonna be as much of a struggle to blend and hide these tracks. So don't get freaked out if mine doesn't come out perfect. I have really, really fine hair. Okay, let's get started. when I'm starting at my edges, I'm starting a little bit further back so that way I can hide them as I go up. I'll bring this one a little bit further ahead of it, and then ahead of it and ahead of it till I go to the top. But I'm trying to hide the tracks as I go up in my hair. So you can't see the bottom one now. All the tracks in now. I'm just going in with my hair fiber spray, get rid of my visible scalp. If it was up to me, my tracks would be as close to this as possible, but my hair is so thin up top, I can only get it so close. That's why this spray comes in handy, so I can try to camouflage this space. I'm just gonna straighten my hair. You can definitely curl this hair if you want to, but I want it straight because I'm going for like an Asian sort of look. So I'm gonna be straightening mine. I think it'd be easier to blend it too if it's straight. That way, if I have to, I can gel this down or hairspray it down, whatever the case may be. And guys, I did use all 3 packs of my hair. Now, for those of you that are gonna ask, like, is this hairstyle secure? As you guys can see, I just got them flat ironed in my hair and I was not being gentle. And you guys can see the tracks are still in there and I'm tugging on it. And it's not pulling or snatching or feeling uncomfortable on my scalp. So, yes, it is secure. So this is how this side looks flat iron. I'm going to flat iron this side off camera and I'll be back and then we're gonna try to blend my leave out. So I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so guys, my hair is straightened, and as you guys can see, it's like bone straight. Like this hair is straightened with no problem. Of course, this is silky straight texture, so it's going to flatten really easily. I use my flat iron on 400. That's what I always do. But now we gotta try to get this to blend and not look so sparse. And I really want to do a middle part, so we're gonna see. Actually, hold on a minute before I do anything. Please for my heat picture before I forget. So guys, this is the finished product. So blending with my thin hair is a little bit difficult. I probably should just stuck to doing a side part like I normally do. Like I have fuller sides, but it's going to do for the look. The hair turned out beautifully. It's so soft, it's so silky. You guys can see it is just gorgeous. It's straightened like nobody's business. As you guys can see, you can do a full install with minimal leave out if you want to. And then I used 3 bundles of 22 inches to achieve this look, and the hair is nice and full. I'm gonna insert a clip of me showing you guys how the hair looks with me standing up from the back, all that good stuff. But I think it's gorgeous. Per usual, Amazing Beauty Hair has amazed me. That was cheesy, but they've amazed me. So guys, I'm gonna link this hair down below in the description bar. Like I said, discount code is ABH MELI, MELI, all capital letters, and you can use that at checkout to save 20% on your purchase. So if you have any questions that did not answer, of course, leave them down below. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle. Mwah. Bye.